Good morning, class. So today we start the course of periodical first. In periodical first, three chapters are coming. Chapter 1, number system. Chapter 2, polynomial, and the chapter 3, coordinate geometry. So today we start the chapter number 2, polynomial. I think you don't have the NCERT book, so kindly download from the Play Store. You will get the book of mathematics or online also. So you can do the homework also at home. So first, what is the polynomial? The definition of polynomial is an expression of more than two algebraic terms. I think you all know what is the algebraic terms: combination of coefficient and variables, especially the sum of several terms that contain different powers of the same variables. It means combine more than two algebraic terms of the same variable, you can get the polynomial. Example is given: x4 plus 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. It is the example of polynomial. So what are the types of polynomial? First one is linear polynomial. Second one is quadratic polynomial, and third one is cubic. Now what is the difference between linear, quadratic and cubic? So first of all, you have to find the degree. What is the called degree? In linear, the degree is 1. In quadratic, the degree is 2. In cubic, the degree is 3. So what is the degree? Degree is the power of the polynomial, highest power of the polynomial. Suppose the example is given, what is the highest power? You see the 4 is the highest power. So highest power is called the degree. Now 4 is there. In linear, only one degree is there. Here degree is 1. In quadratic, degree is 2. And in cubic, degree is 3. So we can identify the polynomial while it is linear, quadratic or cubic. So today we start the first exercise 2.1. Now what is the first question? Read the first question carefully. Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which is not? State reason for your answer. So see the first part: 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So this is the first part, first question: 4x square minus 3x plus 7. We have to find this is the polynomial or not. So if the question, it is given that only one variable is there, suppose here the variable is x and x, only one variable is there, so this is polynomial. And one more thing is that the power should be in natural number only. Here the power is what? 2. Here what is the power? 1. Nothing means what? 1. And here power not given means 0. So power all are in natural number, and 0 is called the whole number, I know, but you can say that these all are in the natural number. The power should not be in the negative or in the fraction form. If the power is in the whole number or natural number, then we can say that is the polynomial and only one variable will be there. So look at this. This is the one variable. Yes, right here. Yes. It is one variable. Now come on the second part: y square plus root 2. Here again variable is what? Y. Power is what? 2. So we can say that one variable again, because only one variable is there, that y only, and the power will be in the natural number again. Here not, y is not there, means 0. This is also yes, right, same as it is. Now the third part: 3 root t plus t root 2. Now root t, it means what? It means 3t power, root means 1 by 2, plus t root 2. This is t, this is plus, don't get confused between it. Root 2. So here power is what? 1 by 2. This is not a fraction, this is not a natural number, not a whole number, this is called fraction. So here, right, what is this? No, it is not a polynomial. Similarly, two more parts are there which are homework. The fourth one, at y plus 2 upon y, this y will go up, so y power minus 1, here minus 1 will come, so this is also not. And the last one, if you look at carefully, three variables are there, x, y and tan t. Now question number second is what? Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Coefficient means nearer to the that x square. So first and second part I will do. Look at this. Here first part, 2 plus x square plus x. Here x square is there. What is written here? Nothing, means what? 1. So coefficient is what? 1. Similarly here, x square, nothing is written, means what? 1. And coefficient is minus 1. This is the answer. Only coefficient you have to write. Two more parts are there, that's our homework. Here as x square coefficient is what? Pi by 2, and here you can find. Now third one, give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. We have to write the polynomial of degree 35 and 100. He said binomial of power 35, degree 35, binomial. So in binomial, two terms are there of power 35, x power 35, and second one is right minus x square. Anything you can write. Here what is the degree? 35. 35 is the degree. Highest is the, you can write anything. You can write here 2, 1, 0, anything you can write. And monomial of degree 100, like y power 100 plus root 2, like that. Highest degree is what? Y power 100. So this way you can get the answer. Now question number 4th. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. I think I already tell you what is the degree, means highest one. In first part, if you see clearly, 5x cube plus 4x square minus 7 is highest power is what? 3. So 3 is the degree. Here 4 minus y square, 2 is the highest, 2 is the degree. Here t, only t is written, power is what? 1. So 1 is called the degree. And here 3, nothing is written, it means what? It is come 0. Fifth one, you can do it by your own. Fourth one. Fifth one, classify the following of linear, quadratic and cubic. If one term is there, I already told that one term is there, it means what? Linear. Two term quadratic, and three term cubic. So here how many terms are there? 2, means what? Quadratic. Here how many terms? 2, again quadratic. 1, 2 and 3 terms, it means what? Cubic. Now 2 terms quadratic, only one term is there, linear. One term linear, one term linear. Now first exercise completed. Now exercise 2.2. This is very easy exercise. So today we do first and second question easily. So question is what? Find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at. The value of x is given, x is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 2. You have to put one by one in this given polynomial only, this much only. So look at here, first one I will do 5x minus 4x square plus 3, x is equals to 0. So in the place of x you can write the 0, 5, 0 minus 4, 0 square plus 3. Now 5 into 0 is what? 0, minus 4, 0 square is what? 0, again multiply by 4, it will become 0, and plus 3. So 3 is the answer. Similarly you can do the second part when you put x is equals to minus 1, and third part when you put x is equals to, what is the value? That 2. Polynomial you already written. Now similarly question number second is what? Find P0, P1 and P2. P means polynomial. Find the value of polynomial when the value of variable is 0, when the value of variable is 1, when the value of variable is 2. So first one is what? this is the first variable, sorry, first polynomial. First you have to find three things, that p0, p1 and p2, all three things, p0, p1 and p2. So in the place of here you can put the 0. If you put 0, means 0 square minus 0 plus 1, answer will come 1. Then find p1. In the place of this you can put 1, minus 1 plus 1. The square of 1 is what? 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cutted, answer is what? 1. And the last and third, that p2. In the place of this, that 2 square minus 2 plus 1. The square of 2 is what? 4. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 is what? 2 plus 1. Answer is 3. Similarly, you can find all the values, p0, p1 and p2. Look at there, three parts more are there. The second one, third one and fourth one. All three are homework. If the doubt is there, ask me tomorrow. We can message also in the group only.